Exercising freedom of the press as a constitutional right is understood by very few.
We don't need to ask nobody permission, man. We have the freedom of the press.
First Amendment.
First Amendment.
And very misunderstood by many today.
I said don't take my photos.
So go back inside.
It's true that assimilating the culture and laws of a new country you emigrate to takes time, but if you do assimilate and adapt, everything works better. Calling the police is the first move of those who don't know and don't respect the legal rights of those who exercise them.
Oh, look, another one right there. He's surrounded by cameras. He got a problem with mine. One, and you can see in the end, it's not only one, it's two. One on top, one on the bottom.
Calling the police because someone is exercising a constitutional right is an unnecessary expense for alerting there is no probable cause that a crime is being committed.
Educate him, you heard? How you doing, Sarge?
Good, how are you?
Go handle your business. When you're done, come holler at us.
It is obvious and natural that if someone calls the police because they are concerned about something that is not normal in their daily life, they will come because of that emergency call. But after they verify for themselves that there is no danger nor probable cause that a crime is being committed, they must proceed to educate the concerned citizen in civic terms and explain the legality of the act of exercising the constitutional right protected in the first, known as freedom of expression, which allows every citizen to record from a public area everything that their view can reach.
I don't gotta talk to you. All right. You guys good. Thank you.
That's why you're teaching him not to talk to us? That's why I'm making a complaint, because he ran from me.
All right, see you at the precinct.
See you at the precinct. What was your name, by the way?
Sounds good. Sergeant Chokin.
Badge number.
1570.
Why are you walking away from me when I'm talking to you?
Evading one of the parties involved in the situation for which the police were called is police misconduct. This conduct can be considered a violation of professional protocol, biased investigation, and negligence.
What if I get hit? Look at where you have me, in the middle of the street. You got me in the street. So come talk to me to the sidewalk, because I'm talking to you.
You're out of control. Have a good night.
I'm out of control? You out of control, Sergeant.
A police officer should not stand in the middle of the street to converse unless it is strictly necessary due to an emergency. Doing so puts their safety, the safety of the citizen, and the safety of drivers at risk. This sergeant is violating his duty of care, which is considered negligence, and he himself would also be violating the rule that applies to all pedestrians, which states, no pedestrian shall stand in the roadway when such standing interferes with the normal flow of traffic.
I'll see you in a second.
I'll see you.
Thank you. I know you don't like me, but that's your job, man. Take it like a man.
All right.
I'll see you there. You heard, public servant? I was about to get hit following this guy to talk to him, bro. That's crazy. If I get hit because of you, you're going to be held accountable.
Okay, sounds good.
Sounds good? Yeah. Because it's not coming out of your pocket, right? The people's going to pay for it.
Okay.
My people! I love you. See how the people love me? Because I expose tyrants like you.
The activism of the First Amendment auditors is of great civic and social value to everyone in society, but despite its importance, many public servants and law enforcement officers do not appreciate it, since they truthfully and transparently expose the misconduct, bad behavior, and lack of professionalism that some of them show when interacting with the public.
Is your body come on, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. We're going to request this. No hard feelings when I speak like that. None of you guys like me, bro. They hate me to death. They want me dead, bro. They want me dead. No, you didn't just met me. But they all hate me, bro. They want me dead because of the way I speak and what I do. I sent officers back to the academy to get retrained. That's why they don't like me.
Accountability and transparency are not popular with many, especially when ordinary citizens are at the forefront of this type of activism. Exposing violations and irregularities committed by public officials often leads to reprisals against those who advocate for transparency.
Take care, man.
Be careful with your partner, bro. Be careful.
Yeah, he's dirty. He's dirty. Education is very important. Now you know?
Everything indicates that the educational work of the police officers towards the man worried because another man standing on the sidewalk was filming him with a camera achieved its objective of making him aware that it is a right that we all have and can exercise. Look at this situation. What would you do if you asked for a certain amount and the gas station attendant made a mistake and gave you more?
Okay.
The sergeant telling me he didn't rob me. Like, you got evidence and proof of what he did.
Okay, you've been a problem all night, all right?
That's not a problem. That's called accountability.
No.
That's when a reproach sounds like you again, after what just happened. But a law enforcement officer's job is to investigate, not reproach.
I told you $20, bro. $20 regular. Yes. Fill up. Never in my life I fill up my car, man. $20 regular.
Oh, you're talking with me, fill up gas.
Never. I never fill up, never. I bought it 6 years. I never fill up the tank in my life. $20 regular. Look, I didn't even have that money. This is my first time that I go minus in my car, bro. Never in my life.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
my mistake.
Who's your boss? No, I need my money back. You can take the gas out if you want. I need this money because I have to buy things and do things over here. And look, you took all my money, you took, bro. I don't need the gas. I only need $20 gas, man.
It's okay, but sorry. It's my bad.
The gas station employee's conduct could be considered negligence, as he may have acted without due care, and without the intention of causing harm. But it could also be considered an intentional act or deliberate misconduct, which does involve the intention to cause harm.
Call your boss. I need my money. Call your boss. Or something. I need my money back.
That's you talking with me in the fill of the gas.
I never fill up my car. I would never say that in my life. I told you $20 regular. Huh?
You're not talking.
I didn't tell you 20? So,
Fill up.
I never said fill up, brother.
You just smoking a cigarette.
Yeah, that's why you forgot and you started doing that because you told me turn the cigarette off.
Smoking at a gas station is illegal in all U.S. states for public safety reasons. The owner, manager, or employee can order the person to leave immediately for violating safety regulations. If the person refuses, he may be charged with trespassing, fined $100 to $500, and arrested.
You got camera there too? Yeah. So I need your boss because I need my money back. You could take the gas back out or do something. I need refund.
You give me my gas back?
Whatever you want to do, I need my money back. I don't want the gas. You gave it to me, I didn't want the gas. I don't want it. You're gonna pay for it if you have to pay for it, not me.
While negligence is not a crime, the carelessness of the gas station worker makes him responsible and liable for the missing gasoline, and the customer has every right to receive a refund if it can be proven that he was not the one at fault for the misunderstanding.
Sorry.
Your boss.
It's not my boss.
Somebody who's gonna give me my money. Somebody.
How much I give you back?
How much you took? You took like $70, $75, something like that? And I said 20. You went over $45.
No, but you talked me.
You're gonna keep telling me that I told you? I don't never fill it up, never. Me, I never fill up my car. So I can never say that to you.
You talking to me, you're watching that.
I'm watching what?
You're watching the phone, cigarette. But I am talking with you. You fill up, I second time you're going.
You ask me regular.
Yeah.
I say yes. Here, 20.
You got a gas? You got a yes.
20. Yes, 20.
You're talking to me.
Bro, I don't even have to fill it up. I don't have money to fill it up. How am I gonna tell you fill it up? Do you understand that?
That's a reasonable explanation. If the activist didn't have the money to fill the gas tank, he wouldn't ask for it because he wouldn't have the means to pay for it. And the intention to steal the gas doesn't seem likely either, since he would have gotten in his car and left.
I understand.
Yeah, so I cannot tell you fill it up if I don't have money to fill it up. You understand that?
Yeah, but you're talking with me, you fill up the gas.
I would never tell you fill it up because I don't have money to fill it up.
No, you're talking with me. I fill up the gas.
20.
I am every day, and I am
20.
7 years fucking over there.
Boss, you took my money. You took my money.
You give me gas back, I give you money.
What?
You give me gas back.
So take the gas back. You took my money. I didn't ask you to take my money and I didn't ask you for the gas. I didn't ask you for the gas, bro. You took the money from the car without me asking, without my permission. I say 20, you took 73 without my permission, boss. I need your boss.
It is clear that the gas station attendant knows he is responsible for his negligence, and that is why he refuses to call a superior.
I'm not.
I need your boss, somebody. Call somebody because somebody's gonna settle this and gonna put my money right back. I need my money back, bro. You're not just gonna take it because you can or because you made a mistake. Or maybe you wasn't listening. It's not my fault.
Mistake, I know.
I know it's your mistake, so now you pay for your mistake. I'm not going to pay for your mistake, bro.
You talking to me.
I never told you, man. I never told you that. You got cameras? You got cameras and you're gonna listen to it?
You have camera?
You have camera and you're gonna listen to it?
You listen. I know I am. You talking with me.
What? I don't have money to fill it up, man. I cannot tell you fill it up.
After noticing the activist's confidence, the gas station attendant decides to call the manager to tell him what happened. But the manager's response was to call the police.
I'm called police.
Okay, no problem.
No, you talking with
No
me.
problem, no problem. Call the police.
My boss.
It's okay. Call the police, yeah.
I'm not calling the police. But you talking with me. I am talking, you not.
I'm talking to you. Call the police.
I am.
The police gonna make you give me my money.
The manager's decision made the gas station attendant more nervous than the activist. Let's see what happens.
Oh, he just turned his body cam on. Look at him. He's just showing him my pictures. Oh, he showed him that I had a cigarette.
You guys, you can't smoke cigarettes in the gas station.
That's not the problem.
What's the problem?
He stole my money.
The gas station attendant did not tell the police officer the true situation, and only mentioned that the activist had a cigarette. If he lies, it is because he has a hidden intention.
That's the problem, yes.
Okay, how much money?
I told him 20, he put 73.
Okay, you have your ID?
Yes, what we're gonna proceed to do?
I need your ID.
What for?
You want to report?
Yes.
Can I have your ID?
Okay. Sure, if you're gonna report, of course. Yo, Zach, give me my ID real quick. Of course. If you're gonna do your job right, yes. And I'm gonna see you in court, just like I told you, man. You're gonna stop stealing money.
I'm here.
No, you're not here, in court. In court.
It's okay.
Okay, it's okay. It's not okay, man, because that was my money to eat, bro. That was money to eat food.
The gas station attendant doesn't want the situation to escalate and end up in court. He wants to resolve it on the spot, which makes him the prime suspect.
Why you wanna hide, Toto? Why you wanna hide, Toto?
What are you saying happened?
Why are you hiding to speak to him if I'm gonna request those body cam footages?
You can request back in.
Exactly, so you don't have to hide. You can leave it open for the public. What was the question?
What, so can you run by me what happened?
I told him to put $20 regular.
Okay.
He left the thing on a tender and left my card in there. And he drained my card. Now I'm overdraft. Overdraft.
So he put in more gas than you wanted. Is that what you're saying?
Way more. He took more money than I even have in my account.
All right, that's gonna be a civil matter. That's not, you know, I can't arrest him for that.
I'm not telling you to arrest him.
Okay.
Did you ask me for my ID to arrest him or for what? What was it for?
Just you wanna make a report or something?
I never told you to arrest him.
Okay, but I still do a report and everything.
That's what I need.
Okay, but the report may not be criminal. You know.
Whatever it is, we're gonna find out with the prosecution, with the judge, with the courts,
okay,
with your sergeant, with whoever. That's not up to you, man. It's not up to you.
I'll take a report that there was a civil issue today.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
So do you have your ID?
Yes, I do.
This officer's actions are highly questionable. His job is not to take sides, but to investigate what happened and make a police report, which he doesn't seem to want to do.
How's it going? He's saying that he went to get gas, and then he wanted $20, but the attendant put in more than he wanted. So, civil issue, I'll take a report.
Even if the case is a civil dispute and not a criminal case, it must be reported by the police. And if either party wants to take it to a judge, they have every right to do so.
I don't want him to hear my personal information. Can you please remove him?
This is his property.
So you want him to hear my personal information? That's another complaint. Go ahead. You want him to hear my address, my name, and you want to give him my ID too? Give it to him.
All right. You want to give me the rest of your email?
Not in front of him, sir. Can we move somewhere else? Why are you such a tyrant, bro? That's crazy. Body cam is on?
Of course.
Of course. He forgot to turn the body cam on. I'm about to make a complaint against you for that. You turned your body cam on all the way when you was inside. Not when you had contact with me. You know that, right?
Police officers' body cameras are public property. Any citizen who interacts with them in a dispute can request those images as evidence in their defense.
You don't care though, right? Let's see if internal affairs care. As soon as you have contact with the public, you put them on. It's not when you want. Am I right or wrong, sir?
He's writing your report right now.
I just asked you a question. Am I right or wrong?
Attitude says it all.
When you have interactions with the public, am I right or wrong?
My camera's on.
Officer.
My camera's on.
So that means I'm right.
And this is instructions how to get your report. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So what do I do next? Because I don't know how to read, bro. You was bullying me before. I don't know how to read. Alright?
Directions to get your report.
I'm not talking to you no more. I'm not talking to you no more, bro. You didn't answer me nothing, bro. You're a tyrant and I'm not talking to you no more. It's just a paper to me. Right now, and I'm asking you for the steps to follow up. Read it. Get a lawyer. Blah, blah, blah. Just because you don't like me. I understand you don't like me. But it's your job to answer these questions, bro. It's questions about the procedures.
It is part of the professional duty of police officers to provide basic guidance to citizens involved in a dispute. They must explain whether the case is civil or criminal, and indicate whether they should obtain the report at the station, and whether they should contact a lawyer or civil court.
They already came.
Who?
Damn, you guys don't have no
They
contact?
requested a supervisor.
Yo, your cops are dirty, bro. They did me dirty again, bro.
How they do you dirty?
You're gonna see all these videos, bro. They crazy as hell. No body cams on. The body cam, he turned that on whenever he felt like it because he can.
Right.
You think that's okay? You think that's okay?
I have access to that. I can look at that. So
Okay, you're gonna look at that. When he turned it on, he was already inside of the store.
Okay.
After he interacted with me,
Okay. All right.
kinds of threats.
Yep.
Sarge, you know what the code was for?
What?
Do you know what the code was for?
I was told to respond. I'll look into it.
He robbed me.
Okay.
All right, the one that you treated nice.
He didn't rob me.
So you say you didn't know what the code was for?
He didn't rob you.
You say you didn't know what the
He
code
didn't
was
rob
for?
you. I was told to respond. He didn't rob you.
Huh?
All right. I'll see you at the precinct.
He didn't rob me?
Nope. He didn't.
We're gonna decide that in the court.
Okay.
That's not up to you. You don't decide that. You just make the report.
Awesome.
All right?
Sounds good.
So stop making those statements.
Okay.
All right? Because we cannot use that with the judge and with the jury.
Okay.
The sergeant telling me he didn't rob me. Like, you got evidence and proof of what he did.
Okay. You've been a
This behavior by the sergeant is very regrettable and unprofessional. A law enforcement officer cannot be biased towards one of the litigants in a civil dispute. This behavior by the sergeant could lead to a civil lawsuit for taking actions favorable to one of the litigants without a prior court order. Follow us to learn more about your rights, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.